What's up, YouTube squad? It's your boy, back with that raw, no BS crypto breakdown you crave. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wild ride of Enso. Yeah, Enso Network's powerhouse, token that's powering over 145 enterprise-grade products, and has already settled a jaw-dropping $17 billion on-chain. If you're not hyped yet, stick around, because this fresh Binance listing is flipping the script on DeFi Intense. And that chart, it's a battlefield of volatility that's got me grinning like I just snagged front-row seats to the moonshot. Picture this, it's launch day. October 14th, 2025, 9 a.m. UTC, and $ENSO hits Binance with pairs in USDT, USDC, FDUSD, TRI, and BNB. Boom, 1.75 million tokens airdrop to hodlers who staked BNB from October 7th, 9. That's 1.75% of the Genesis supply right in your wallet if you played it smart. We're talking a total supply of 100 million ENSO, FDV clocking in at $125 million pre-launch. But right now, this bad boy's trading at a blistering $4.68, with a market cap hovering around $6.53 million, 5,293 holders jumping in, and $1.3 million in liquidity. Volume over 71K in the first hours. That's the sound of money flooding in, folks. Now, let's zoom in on this chart like we're dissecting a heist movie. That candlestick action, pure adrenaline. You've got these towering orange and red bars spiking up to a peak of $10.36 early on, like the market's heart racing at the scent of fresh listings on Binance. Bybit, Gate, KuCoin, and BitGet. It was all euphoria. Traders piling in on the hype of Enso's intent engine magic, turning complex on-chain requests into seamless shortcuts across EVM, SVM, and MVM chains. But hold up, bam. It plunges straight down to $4.19 in a brutal cascade of sells. That's the classic post-pump dump, where early flippers cash out, shaking out the weak hands. We're seeing a minus 33.5% drop from that all-time high in mere hours, with the price now stabilizing around $4.68. It's like watching a rocket launch, only for gravity to remind everyone who's boss. But here's the thrill, that lower wick. It's testing support like a boxer dodging punches, hinting at buyers lurking below ready to clap back. Peep those indicators. They're the secret sauce telling us this fight's far from over. The EMA at 4.675 is your trend lifeline, sitting just above the current price like a safety net, daring you to bounce. Cross above it, green lights for a rally. But right now, it's flirting with danger, with the price dipping below that 10.36 mark from the 1-hour view. Then there's RSI clocking in at 45.10, smack in neutral territory. Not oversold enough for panic, but screaming, undervalued to value hunters. No wild overbought spikes here. It's coiling like a spring, folks. Volume bars. Those blue-orange histograms are fading from the initial frenzy, 71K plus trades, down to a steady hum. But that yellow line underneath, it's the on-balance volume whispering accumulation. Smart money's quietly stacking while the noise dies down. Over on the MACD panel, oh man, this is where it gets cinematic. The histogram's gone from those fat blue buy bars to shrinking reds, with the signal line crossing below zero at minus 0.419. Classic bearish divergence, but check the slopes. They're flattening out, like the selling pressure's gassing out. That purple MACD line hugging the zero axis. It's on the verge of a bullish crossover if volume picks up. And don't sleep on the bottom subplot. That yellow intent line, Enso's volume proxy, is wavy, but trending up from 30K to 71K, showing real user action beyond the bots. SAR's dotted trail is flipping bullish above the price, and Bollinger Bands are squeezing tight around 4.97 to 5.24. Volatility's about to explode, in a good way. This isn't just a chart, it's a story of resilience in the chaos of crypto launches. ENSO's built for the long game, unifying blockchains like Barachin, where it handled $3.1 billion in TXNS, with partners like Uniswap and Layer Zero. That minus 33% dip, it's the entry rug pull fakeout that weeds out tourists, leaving room for the real crew to load up. Liquidity's solid at $1.3 million, holders are climbing, and with FDV at $59.7 million, there's massive room to run as adoption hits escape velocity. All right, drumroll for the price prediction you subscribed for, keeping it real for us American traders grinding through these volatile nights. Short term, next 48 hours, I see a retest of $4.19 support. But if RSI dips to 30 and bounces, which it will with this airdrop buzz, we're pushing back to $5.25, $5.50 by end of day tomorrow. That's a quick 12 to 18% pop, perfect for scalps on Binance futures. By week's end, with hype from the hodler drops settling in, $6.50 feels locked. Breaking that EMA and MACD flip could ignite it. Zoom out to end of October. Bull case hits $8.50 if volume doubles on mainnet integrations. Bear case holds $4 floor unless BTC dumps hard below 60K. Longer haul into Q4 2025. ENSO's intent tech is primed for the multi-chain explosion. Think 2-3x from here to $10, $12 by year-end, especially if ENSO nails those enterprise tie-ups. But DYOR stack sats wisely, and remember, in crypto, dips are where legends are forged. What do you think? Loading up or waiting for the flip? Drop your calls in the comments. Smash that like if you're riding this wave. And subscribe for more chart deep dives. Let's make those gains, fam. Peace out.